straight from nature, pure, fresh, and full of life.
Fresh apples rich in fiber, supporting heart health and natural cleansing.
Juicy oranges packed with vitamin C to boost immunity and refresh the body.
Business promotion, yeah, we set the pace. Global mega creations, we run the race. Global mega
Sweet pineapple full of enzymes that aid digestion and reduce inflammation.
Naturally sweet bananas rich in potassium for strength and lasting energy.
We deliver top quality. Daily AI prompts creativity. Global mega creations, we lead with unity.
Refreshing watermelon loaded with antioxidants to hydrate and glow the skin.
Pure coconut rich in electrolytes and healthy fats for deep nourishment.
With the vision for the vibrations. Logos, videos, branding with style. Affordable price, we make you smile.
Creamy avocado packed with healthy fats for heart health and smooth skin.
Global mega creations. Mega. Global mega creations.
Bright strawberries full of antioxidants for beauty and immunity.
Crisp cucumber cooling the body and boosting hydration naturally. Natural cashew nuts rich in protein and minerals for energy and strength.
Global mega creations. Bring your vision to life. Mega creations. Dance with the vision for the
Choose freshness, choose health, choose nature, and go natural with GMC fruits.